So there's two relatively recent technologies that have come on the market that are important for infection control. These are more widely applied in hospitals, and I think they'll have a space in long-term care as well. The problem, of course, is they're very expensive, but they do seem to have some effectiveness. So one of these is hydrogen peroxide vapor, and people use this to often disinfect or decontaminate large spaces. Some of the downsides of using hydrogen peroxide vapor that I'm aware of involve you have to close off the ventilation system and close off the doors and kind of create a seal within the room. That's the last time that I haven't looked at this in a couple of years, but this is what I was aware of. The UV devices seem to be more user-friendly. So these are devices where all you have to do is shut the door of the room. So the device goes in, the door gets shut. The device is then programmed to disseminate UV light throughout the room. It bounces around, so it can get to those difficult to reach surfaces like underneath things and around things, and it works to kill the spores. It can take up to about 45 minutes to an hour, and it may have to be done in 2 sessions, so one time in the room and one time in a bathroom, for example. But if we're looking at 2 hours to do a cleaning of a room, or 2 hours to get the spore burden down, it's completely worth doing that. And that can serve as the terminal clean to allow the resident and perhaps their roommate to be back in the room. It's also, as I said before, it's very, very expensive to invest in these machines.